We back with another one. Got Sosa in the cut. Finna be heading to, what is it, a car meet?
Yeah.
Car meet? Yeah. Let's go see this bitch.
I got the full track suspension on it.
On the Civic. We got Steven in this bitch. Bro, these rims, though. And I got this nigga's super on this bitch, too. Look at this. Ooh, built motor. That intake, headers. Okay, Sosa. That's how you know this bitch old. Man, yo, rolled down. Hell yeah. Got the original SI. Fuck yeah. Oh, this bitch clean. Got Sosa's motor. Getting fully built. This hoe's gonna be a menace. Sosa, how much horsepower? 1,200 horsepower. Shit gonna be insane. And this is the car we riding in. Oh Lord, this bitch so fucking clean. Meeting up with Dom and Steven. Finna see what we finna get into. We on a little adventure now. Let's see how this shit goes. Sitting clean. Got Steven in the cut. Got the Camaro and Mustang over there. This one's basically the Honda gang right here. So I was to introduce you. My bad, buddy. Hey, clean car, bro. Fuck with it. Woo! E-Tech, it's crazy. Just a little Accord, nothing too special. Oh, only if my car was here. Nah, but this shit's way cleaner than mine, bro, for sure. This whole tub. And look at it, if it ain't the Prelude boys. That's the exact same one we saw last one. Hey, you be safe, Papa. Boy got some fucking old. Bro, this hoe clean. Got the Hondas in the set. Look, it got one rim, got the Tesla rim on the other. This hoe clean. So yeah, we at the meet. And I'm just doing that little two-step battle. I wish I got that for y'all, but it's all good. It's just crazy. I just seen some serious shit right now. One of the Honda boys over there got in an accident going 140. Wrecked his fucking car.
Fucking rainbow flame?